Hello, my YouTuber friends. Welcome to my channel one more time. Today, I'm going to talk and show you a video about the moon. This video I took using the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope, which I've been using for the last couple of months. So, what can I tell you about this smart telescope? First of all, the quality of the photos and videos is 4K, as you can see, so it's excellent. Also, the Dwarf 3 is portable. It has a long-lasting rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere, day or night. It uses your phone with an app in order to manage and access all of the functions of this device or telescope. Until now, I've used it to record the moon and the sun. It has an auto focus, as you can see, and an auto tracking function, so you can track the movement of the sun and the moon without any problems whatsoever. Tracking the moon is a little bit more difficult than tracking the sun because the moon has a tendency to move very quickly, and if you are not careful, it will come out of frame very quickly, so you have to keep an eye on this. But with a little practice, that shouldn't be a problem at all. Tracking the sun is easier because it moves very slowly, so you will be able to keep it centered in your screen all the time without any issues. What else can I tell you about the Dwarf 3? It has an astronomical, let's say, function that I haven't used so far in order to capture stars, galaxies, nebula, and all kinds of things. In order to use the astronomy or astronomical function, you have to make a few adjustments. Obviously, at night, without any clouds or haze or anything like that, and you can take photos of just about anything that you see out in the sky with excellent quality. I hope to do that pretty soon. I haven't done it so far because of bad weather over here in Melbourne, especially at night, because of all the storms and things that are going on with the weather right now. The one thing that I really like about this telescope is the zoom that it has, so you can use it to take videos of things, buildings and stuff like that. Also, it has let's say scenery or bird watching function that I haven't used so far. So you can actually go outside wherever you see birds or other animals, and you can focus on them and take zoomed in videos, which I find pretty interesting, by the way. On this particular occasion, the sky was a little bit cloudy. You can actually see some haze going across the moon right now, which is trying to auto focus. Well, I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Cheers.